Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2020 C8 Black. I shot a couple videos of this, wrapping the hood, showing the paint correction as I was going through it that are going to be prior to this. However, this is the finished product, and I'll just go over this for you guys. Just like the other C8s that we've done, as you know, we don't want any lines around this, so this is removed. If you don't want to remove, that's fine, we don't have to. And coming into the hood here, again, it's like as if nothing was done. Coming all the way around. And that is the overall look you want for your paint protection film install. Nice and tight. Everything's really great. Everything's glossy. Full bumper. When we do the full bumpers on these, it's all those flanges, all this center plastic and carbon flash, all down below. Everything gets done. That emblem comes off and goes back in the same exact placement that it was in. And we'll come around here and check out that paint correction that we did for the vehicle. It was really scuffed up, but now it looks great. These quarters from reaching in, this is probably an area you'd want to add paint protection film because you have to lean into that back area. Whether it's a technician or you, somebody's gonna lean against this and it takes on some serious gouging. So I would possibly indulge in those rear quarters. They're not gonna be very expensive. It's not a big panel at all and it's not challenging. So the fee on that would probably be nominal compared to doing a door. Front fenders aren't expensive either. The big price is gonna be this big hatch. That is a gigantic one, but nevertheless, we showed this panel. This is the driver's side rear quarter panel. It was really bad, and now it's great. So all that stuff does come out. It takes time. It's been ceramic coated, Fine Labs ceramic light. It's not the healing versions or anything that gives you a self-healing surface, but the Heal Light is a great gloss coat. Does help in keeping the scuffs down. And paint protection was added to, on this one, only the hood and the front bumper. So I'm sure later on it might come back for some more. My opinion is on a black car, if it's in your budget, wrap the whole thing because it's literally, as long as it's taken care of, it's a rinse. Ceramic coated over the paint protection film. Just like a lot of the cars we do on full wraps, we coat those with the ceramic over it. As long as it's not abused, it's a wash and rinse. So that's it. So there you go, folks. Another 2020 C8, just showing you some of those little areas that make the difference in a paint protection film installation. For example, like those areas in the front of the hood, removing the emblems, things like that. So we strive to make it look as if nothing's there. You need to ask your installers on these panels, where are you going to wrap? Where's the film going to be terminated? And so your car doesn't have any issues later down the road. So there you go. Any questions, clearbrawnorthdallas.com. Some folks have been asking questions on here. Sorry, you need to email me or give me a call, 940-703-8301. Everything on these cars is different. Situations are different, so it's just best to give me a call or email me with what you're going to do. Thank you very much. I appreciate the people that do tune in. I try to show what I can. If you have any suggestions on things you'd like to see, send me a message, and I can certainly do that. However, I won't show the actual install the way I do it. Too many poachers out there, sorry. My style is my style, and I don't feel like giving it away for free. However, if you'd like to see it and you want to learn, I'll be happy to charge you for it. There you go, clearbrawnorthdallas.com. Have a great day.